Okay. Kia, hello. Kia says female, 63 years old. I have been underweight all of my life. I'm worried that I will lose more weight if I start a carnivore diet. Can I gain weight if I become a carnivore? Thank you. Okay. I love these questions because I would say like 80 to 90% of the carnivore community, they're a little bit more veered towards weight loss. So when we get asked, okay, well, what about the opposite, weight gain? It's always quite refreshing. It's like, oh, wonderful, because I have seen this happen and work for a lot of people who need to gain healthy weight. So I would love to open this up with Raymond first, your pointers and tips on how to gain healthy weight, and then Janelle and I will chime in.
Yeah, I really like the point that Rebecca Heichman says is carnivore is a body optimization diet. In other words, it gets your body to where it needs to get to. So you're underweight, you'll gain weight. If you're overweight, you'll lose weight. But it's not really a weight thing. It's a composition thing. Your body just looks better and feels better because of carnivore, right? So what it is that it gets all of the hormones in place and you have the proper hunger for food. Now, it might not happen initially. That's the problem. So you're going to have to give it time. It's not going to be just all of a sudden you're eating properly and then it just magically gains weight. So there may be little tricks that you can do to speed it up by, like, for example, priming. Making sure you eat 3 meals a day. And if you have any nasty little habits like coffee or, other things, make those as dessert. So getting the food in, and sometimes some people might even take advantage. If you really want that to happen, you can have some kind of, collagen to add a little extra protein. There's a lot of little tricks, but I want to give you the confidence that yes, I have seen it where lean people gain weight on carnivore.
Absolutely. Janelle, what's your experience?
Personally, my own experience, when I went into a more ketogenic diet, basically, it allowed my body to get to what I feel like its like set point is, and its normal natural weight. So I personally didn't gain weight on my short time so far with carnivore. I actually lost body fat. So I feel like Raymond shared as well, it also has to do with like the level of your health of your body. So if your hormones are all out of whack, your weight isn't going to be at its natural body weight that it needs to be at yet, because it has healing to do.
Yes. And I'd love to share what I'm doing lately because I don't want to lose any more weight. So I feel like the timing of this is really good. I'm playing around with some foods and some variables and some things like timing of my meals, frequency of my meals, what I pair my meals with. One thing that I will say is if you want to gain healthy weight by wanting to eat more, move your body. Lift weights. You don't even have to kill yourself lifting super heavy. Just by getting the heart rate up or doing some type of resistance and strength training, it really opens up the appetite. Doesn't matter what age you are or how much healing you have to do. If you can just do a relaxing walk, because I recognize a lot of people also, they start carnivore because they have so much healing they have to do. They are so sick. They are close to death even for a lot of these people. So first assess what you're able to do when it comes to movement. But Kia, if you can just start with daily walks, that's already so good for your mental health and your physical wellness. And then from there, see when you're the most hungry. Add in raw cheese. That's the best food to help you eat more, opens up that appetite. It's so palatable. I would even utilize some sugar-free safe sauces. And Todd can chime in on this next. Hot sauce, sugar-free mayo, sugar-free barbecue sauce even. There's so many sauces that you can dip your meats in to help you eat even more so that you're not losing weight. Todd? Oh, I think you're muted.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't know how that happened. I've never needed help gaining weight, that's for sure. But but I can tell you that when I need more of an appetite, for sure, the dairy does it for me. The dairy, higher palatable animal-based foods. Sure. Definitely the dairy puts the weight on me. So that would be my only. But I mean, I have never had that problem, but for sure the appetite goes up with the dairy for me.
Yeah. And I'll just pass this to everyone in the live chat. Let's help each other out as a community. If you're watching the playback, put it in the comments below this video. What do you find helps you open up that appetite? Not necessarily helps you gain weight, because I know a lot of people, they're trying to lose weight. What helps you open up that appetite and prevent meat aversion? Share your ideas in the chat, in the comments. Let's keep going.